Very good morning to all of you. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. And see, now I know that with the continuous study of grammar chapters, you guys might have got bored. So I have taken one chapter from the literature. Okay. So today we will be starting off with a poem that is The Four Seasons. Okay. So, in this chapter, you will get to know more about the seasons. है ना? In the previous chapter also, chapter number 10 of literature book. See, I'm talking about this book. I'm talking about this book of yours. So, in this literature book, chapter number 10 was the story of the four seasons. There we studied how the seasons got their rule and how they appear, right? They appear once in 3 months, right? So this was the story. Now in this chapter also we are going to learn more about the seasons. But before coming to that, we will be solving one exercise that is given in your book on page number 95. So please open English Treasure Book. Please open page 95 of English Treasure Book. And first we will be solving this small but interesting exercise and then we will come to the poem. Alright, so please open it fast. Page number 95. Okay. So, question number A. This is one warm-up exercise that is given to you. Okay. Question number A, let me read it for you. Rearrange the letters to find out the names of these fruits. Okay. We are doing this exercise. Okay. Just let me make it a little clear for you. If it is visible. Can you see this now? Well, I hope you can see this. So, we are doing this exercise. Okay. Page number 95. Now, the letters, see, firstly the names of the fruits are given, है ना? पहले हमें fruits के names दिए हुए, but they are given in scrambled letters. Okay, the spellings of the names, the spelling is not correct. Okay, so we have to correct the spelling by just seeing the fruit given here. So fruit को देख के हमें उसे identify करना है which fruit is this, and then we have to just write the correct spelling of that fruit. This is what we have to do. Okay, it's an easy task and since I am there, you don't have to worry. Okay, so the first fruit, this one. Alright, you can see a fruit like this in your book. See, I have made all these drawings for you. Okay, so this fruit you can see in your book too. It's a red colored fruit. Okay, a round red colored fruit. So what is this fruit called? Scrambled spelling is given as L-P-U-M. Scrambled spelling is L-P-U-M. करना है, जैसे ये लेटर्स उल्टे सीधे दिए हुए थे, ठीक है, हमें इनको रीअरेंज करना है, फिर से अरेंज करना है ना, जैसे हमने इस क्वेश्चन में किया। और हमें इन वेजिटेबल्स के नेम्स प्रॉपरली लिखने हैं यहाँ पर। ऑलराइट, so some set of letters are given to you and you have to rearrange them. Okay, we will do it, not a problem. So I am writing the set of letters given above this picture. O R T C R A, O R T C R A, O R T C R A. All right, now see, it's what color is this? This is not exactly red, this is not exactly orange, it is somewhere a mixture of both. Okay, it is what vegetable can you see? We eat, acha, it's not visible properly, so okay, in the winter times, okay, this vegetable is available to us and we eat the halwa of this vegetable. Okay, gajar ka halwa, and that's my favorite. Yeah, I know it's your favorite too. Okay, that hot gajar ka halwa. And this vegetable, it is what? It's a gajar, it's a carrot. What is gajar called in English? It is called carrot. Okay, so now let's try to make the spelling of carrot. I know many of you know the spelling, but let's try making it here from these set of letters. So C, carrot, it starts with C. C is there. Okay, C A double R O T. This is the spelling of carrot. C A double R O T, carrot. Once again I am repeating it. C A double R O T, carrot. Okay, so C A double R O T, carrot. This is the name of this one is this. It's a white colored vegetable and we generally use it in salads. Okay, we generally have it in salad. Okay, so white colored vegetable looking similar to a carrot. Okay, it looks similar to a carrot. It have a texture of a carrot but not the same color and taste. Okay, so taste इसका carrot से different होता है, color भी different होता है, but थोड़ा physical structure इसका carrot जैसा है. So कौन सी है ये vegetable? Which vegetable is this? It is a it is having green leaves also at the top of it. And इसके leaves का भी you can make one good sabzi, one good vegetable. So what vegetable is this? It begins from R. Okay, I'm giving you hints. Okay, so it is a radish. Okay, ये है मूली. क्या है ये? एक मूली है. What is मूली called in English? Radish. Okay, so the spelling of radish is R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Okay, so the set of letters given to us is this: D-H-A-R-I-S. Okay, D-H-A-R-I-S. Now let's try to make the spelling. So the spelling should be R-A-D-I-S-H. R-A-D-I-S-H. Dish. Radish. Okay, please write it fast. Well done. Okay, now come on to page 96. Page 96. There the main poem is given to you. Okay, so I'm writing one stanza of the poem. poem, the first stanza is, the seasons change 4 times a year, from spring to winter they appear. Okay, so the first stanza of your poem is this. Now we have to learn how to read the words. So THE, the, SEASONS, seasons, CHANGE, change. Let's read the first line. The seasons change. Okay, the seasons change. Now much is enough, and we'll continue in the next lecture. So till then,